Hey guys, it's March 9th, 2023. Right now we're looking at BAC, Bank of America, and all the stocks today have been falling down due to the overall market. So Bank of America is no exception. We're looking at a 1-day, 5-minute candle chart, and as you can see, it's been under VWAP for 95% of the day. It is making a downward trend. So because of that downward trend, we can't really make any cases for support or resistance. From here, I would say the trend top of the cone should be that, and then the bottom of the cone might be that. So it has a little bit more to drop. We might see that drop continue tomorrow. As far as a 1-day, 1-year outlook, oops, didn't grab that right one. Sorry about that. So yeah, as far as a 1-day, 1-year chart, you can see that today was the biggest drop it had in a while, in 1 day. Wow, that is a big drop. As far as the news that is driving this drop, BAC, it says Bank of America is down over 5%, on pace for largest percent decrease since March 2022, and we can see that based off of this chart right here. So as far as investing in this, guys, I would not touch this. I would wait a while before I would let it consolidate, make a bottom, and wait for the overall market to clear up, and then hopefully maybe it'll be a sign of a good long position to take. But as of now, it's not looking too good. I do want to look at AMD, which is a retail favorite. And as you can see, we did predict a few days ago that this stock would be doing a continuous upward trend, which it is. Just to zoom in here and show you guys. So we had 2 green days yesterday with a pullback looks like today. And it's not that big of a pullback, to be honest with you. This is like they call it upside down hammer. Hey, I'll take this upside down hammer for a pullback. As you can see, March 6th, it gave us a pullback right before it continued to move up. So I like the stock. I think I said it in a previous video. I would like to catch a long, maybe closer to the 80s. Then the mid 80s, and then from there I would hold it for I don't know however long, but I would be cashing out somewhere in the high 80s, like 88. So those of you who did catch it down here when I said it, and now you're cashing out. Kudos to you. Let's zoom into a 1-day, 5-minute to see if we see any day trade plays for those who love the day trade. It's been up and down on the VWAP. So right now it's below VWAP, but earlier in the day it was above. As far as resistance and support, I think we'll be reaching, as they say, but maybe support was at $86. It broke support. As you can see, it's down, going down now. And as far as resistance, I believe we're reaching. So yeah, I can't really make a case for reaching, but for the sake of creating something, we're going to say 87.56. So yeah, this stock is on its way down. Might give you a chance to get a long position in closer it gets to the 80s. But right now, I wouldn't go long just yet. As far as the news that's driving the stock down, it says, let me see, COVID-19 market crashed 3 years ago today, unrelated. Semiconductor keeps unrelated. So there's no direct news tied to AMD that's moving the stock today. I guess it's just um, um, overall market that's bringing us down. So I do want to look at one more stock before we end the video, which is SI. Seems to be the buzz today. Never heard of this stock before. Silvergate Capital Corporation, excuse me. And this is the 1-day, 5-minute. Looks like it could have been a good day trading stock. I do see there was an upward trend for 5, 10, 15, 30 minutes, which would have been a nice little gain, and then we had a downward trend, and then a gradual, man, this chart looks like it was created by Picasso himself. And as far as support resistance, I would say maybe there's some resistance right here at the $4 level. As far as support, I can't make a case for any support right now. 362, I want to say, before the end of the day. So it might just stay in this range between $4 and 362. As far as the news that's driving it, Let me see, SI, anything compelling or salient to mention? Silvergate Capital shares are trading lower after the company announced it will wind down operations and voluntarily liquidate Silvergate Bank. So, got some bad news here, guys. Don't expect this thing to be going long for too long. Don't know why it's above VWAP now. You would think some good news came out. Let me see if I'm missing any other headlines. Silvergate, Silicon Valley, bank plummet. Yeah, I'm seeing bad news, but yet the stock is up. So down is up is down, I guess. But and overall, let's look at a 1 year, 1 day before we close the. Oh yeah, this thing is downhill city. Yeah, I would stay away from this stock, guys. Look at this. This is not something you want to invest in long term or short term. And I never heard of this stock before. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys are making money and making the right decisions and everyone's staying safe and happy. Thank you. I'll check you out on the next video. Bye-bye.